In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook so you can track emails, log conversations, and access your CRM without leaving Outlook. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. Click the Settings icon. Then, go to Integrations and select Email Integrations. Choose Office 365 Outlook. Then click Go to AppSource. On the Microsoft AppSource page, select the HubSpot Sales add-in and click Get It. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted and complete the installation. Once the add-in is installed, open or restart Microsoft Outlook. Create a new email or open an existing one, then click the HubSpot icon and sign in to your HubSpot account. After signing in, the integration is ready to use. You can log emails to your CRM, track email opens, use email templates, insert meeting links, and view contact information directly from Outlook. That's how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.